You can use any 360 camera that produces equirectangular video files. With Insta360, export as 360 video. Rename the file if the file name is long, as this can cause errors. Set the bitrate to maximum and the encoding format to H.265. You can import video files by dragging and dropping them, or by using Add Videos. With Add Batch, you can add multiple videos that are used for one project. For example, if you're recording with 360 cameras simultaneously. With Add Images, you can add image sequences. All formats need to be in equirectangular video or stills. The extract frame every value determines how often a still image is extracted from the video. For example, 1 means every second. 0.5 means every half second. The split value determines the number of splits for one angle. Field of view settings determine the FOV of each split image from the equirectangular still image. Tilt angle uses a pinhole camera to extract tilt angles from the equirectangular image. Experiment with the settings. Sometimes you can get better results without tilt angle, especially for exterior scans. At the end of the video clip, there's an estimation of extracted frames. Automasker. Automasker is a paid feature and separate program. It automatically creates masks for images using keywords. For example, you can remove the operator from the images. There are settings for detection sensitivity and mask expansion. This helps significantly to eliminate floaters. The masks are used in RealityScan alignment and in training with Postshot or Brush. Alignment. First, choose your training program or select No Gaussian Splat Training. Postshot's automatic workflow requires a studio license, but you can also train manually with the free and indie licenses by adding the images, masks, and alignment data to Postshot. Brush is a free open-source program. RealityScan alignment has the option to use markers to obtain real-world scale. There are 2 marker types, which can be found in the program download folder. Markers need to be laid down on the floor in an L shape. Measure the distance between the markers and input the value. RealityScan seems to work slightly better with circular markers. COLMAP uses a camera rig function, so it understands that all images from one equirectangular image are split from one camera position. This helps achieve better alignment. COLMAP takes longer than RealityScan and doesn't have a scaling function. Postshot can also natively align images without extra software. Depending on which training software is selected, its settings will be shown in the Train tab. If no training is selected in the Alignment tab, there won't be any settings displayed. Paths setup. You need to add paths to where all the programs are located. FFmpeg is always needed. It extracts still images from video. It can be found in the program download folder. The RealityScan path has a default install location, but check if yours is in the same place. The Postshot path needs to point to the Postshot CLI file, not the .exe. Brush and COLMAP programs can be downloaded from GitHub. Automasker is a paid function. It's a separate program which can also be used for other masking purposes. You need to add the path to the automasker.exe and to the models, which are found next to the .exe file. Workflow demonstration. For demonstration purposes, I have a short clip. Usually, my capture video is about 2 to 4 minutes long, with 2,000 to 4,000 frames extracted. Experiment to find what works best for you. After starting the process, 360 Gaussian extracts images from the video, then splits the images. After that, Automasker starts if it's selected. When split images and masks are done, it starts the alignment method selected in the Training tab. RealityScan finds markers if selected and aligns the images. RealityScan runs in headless mode. If you want to see its progress, right-click the RealityScan icon and select Show App. After that, it exports the point cloud and camera data to the image folder. Then training starts with Postshot or Brush. After training, duplicated files are deleted and it starts the next media from the queue. You can troubleshoot problems by opening the RealityScan project to see how well the alignment succeeded. Sometimes it creates multiple components and doesn't use all the images. With Postshot free and indie licenses, select No Training and choose your alignment method. You can use RealityScan, COLMAP, or just split images and create masks while Postshot does the alignment. After the program stops, open Postshot. Drag and drop geometry folder into Postshot. It also contains the point cloud and alignment data if RealityScan or COLMAP was used. If you have masks, drag and drop the folder to Masks. Uncheck Start Training so you can see the point cloud and cameras before starting the alignment. You can verify from here that masks are working with the images. If everything looks good, start the training. Training with Brush. Training with Brush works the same way. Download the program from GitHub. And after extracting, add the path to 360 Gaussian. Using COLMAP. To use COLMAP, download it from GitHub. Select the CUDA version to use GPU. Add the path to 360 Gaussian.